In this video, we're going to show you another technique for wrapping your hands for training Muay Thai, straight from Thailand. Let's check it out.
What you got to take off, this is what for. So here, you will take your, okay, take your hand, 2, 3, mid foot, over here. And then you look, not forget, when you keep like that, after, don't do like that always, this one keep. This one is like that, not like that, just like that always. Like that, not like that. Only this one and not this one. When like that, you got one after one. Up. Okay, 2, 3. This one not strong because when you protect here, your wrist here strong. This one, no, not strong about. Keep no strong about open. Keep no strong. How strong but it very hurt. No strong. But this one strong. Up. No strong. 1, 2. After here. Keep. One more, 2, keep more. After you check, long or short, this one, long or short, you will take, make more. Long or short, I finish here. Finish here, look, I long, take this one, not this one, take this one. Take good, this one we have strong.
Good.
Not power. Power you have hurt. Then you have.
And there you have it, another technique to wrapping your hands for training Muay Thai. This directly from Thailand. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.